Hello everyone, welcome to SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is my project. This is a fashion earrings made from the plastic bottles of the Pantene shampoo. Look at this. The plastic bottles is cut out into square type or like a rectangle shape and painted with a stripe color of different colors of the nail polish, and also with polka dots with the use of the nail polish. And here punch a hole attached with a ring and a beads. This beads is like a bell. And here connect another ring and attach the other square with the same decoration and attach another ring and a hook. So this is an instant fashion earrings made from the plastic bottles of the Pantene shampoo and decorated or painted with the nail polish, different colors of the nail polish. I choose this color because it is a summer color: yellow, mint, pink, green, and red, because this is a white plastic bottle. So this is now the transformation of the plastic bottles. A fashion earrings made from the empty bottles of the Pantene shampoo. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your plastic bottles and transform into unique and beautiful summer fashion earrings. And you can wear this one to match your outfit. You can wear any colors because this is a multicolored design. This is just a very easy instant fashion earrings, DIY fashion accessories made from the plastic bottles, the Pantene shampoo. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this DIY fashion earrings made from the plastic bottles of the Pantene shampoo. So in this way you can minimize your garbage and keep your environment clean and save the Mother Earth from pollution. So let us recycle our plastic bottles. So this is now the transformation of a plastic bottles of the Pantene shampoo, and now it transformed into unique fashion earrings, and it is match for any colors. This is a summer color design, stripe color. This one is just glitters. So I just paint at the back side with the glitters nail polish so that it will have a glitters on the back side. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. Thank you for your support for SGM Creations and Tutorials, and see you again in my next vlog. So please watch out my channel playlist, the video tutorial on how I created this. Just click the playlist Beadworks tutorials and you can find my video tutorial step by step on how I created this one from the start until at the end of the video. And